Hello, investors. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to today's edition of the Market Update. Please, if you're watching us today or you've been watching us, please subscribe to our channel, put on your notification button so that you won't miss our update for next week. Today is the final day of trading on Wall Street, and we're happy to bring you this update for today. So today, we saw the news break that Mr. Warren Buffett, the the uh, the most popular and the most respected investor on Wall Street, actually has gone on a shopping spree. He has bought up more shares of Occidental, Sirius FM, and VeriSign. Warren Buffett has about 300 billion, or if not more than that, in cash pile, and he's putting it to work. There's been these questions: when is he going to spend this money? And we are seeing the news today that he has put it to work, and he still has much more. Warren Buffett, maybe for anyone that cares to know, is one of the more or less the largest single investor in Apple, despite the fact that he has sold much more. I believe Berkshire Hathaway, BRKB, which is one of the shares that is listed for the company, could hit a 1 trillion market cap by next year, because he has just so much money to buy more shares of companies that he believes would do well. I have exposure to Berkshire through my ETF, the S&P 500 ETF, and year to date, this company has done very very well, way higher than any fixed income or bonds can give you, 25% year to date. Bitcoin, yes, we are also talking about Bitcoin, despite the fact that we believe Bitcoin might not be suitable for every investor or anyone who wants to invest in assets that are not that volatile. But Bitcoin is a major part of the financial market, and we need to talk about it. Bitcoin went as high as 107,000 dollars per Bitcoin in the last 1 week, but it has pared back down and is now hovering between 93 to 96,000. There's been some aggressive sell-off, if we must admit. Uh, you know, it's a good time to buy Bitcoin ETFs, not necessarily Bitcoin directly for me. Bitcoin, look at it, it's done 119% year to date, but I believe Bitcoin will still pull back, and that might be a good time to buy these ETFs. In the news today was also the fact that President-elect Donald Trump of the U.S. Is now moving his shares in DJT, Truth Social, to a revocable trust. This could actually mean that he could sell these shares, without any disclosure at the end of the day. This stock will actually see a lot of beating down. It has run so high when you won the election, or even prior to the election, and yet to date, the stock has done very well, but you can see that in the last 5 days it's gone down by about 8%. Novo, which is one of the biggest movers of the year, Novo, the likes of Eli Lilly, the likes of Ames and As, they moved very quickly this year. But in this category, there seems to be a negative kind of sentiment that has now started pervading this category. We had Novo's trial actually failed, of the drug that they've been actually put in as one of the biggest bets going forward. Their weight loss trial, drug trial, actually failed, like we've just learned today. This stock has run so high, so well. The likes of Eli Lilly and Novo, they ran so well, but if this stock is already pulling back, this negative sentiment can actually move into next year. Today, you can see it's been down by 17 or almost 18%. The biggest news and last for today is Nvidia. That's the biggest winner for today. At the end of every video, towards the end, we normally unveil the biggest winner. And just like I said earlier, if you like this video and everything we'll be doing, please subscribe to our channel, put on your notification button so that you don't miss any updates as from next week. and going forward. So coming back to Nvidia, Nvidia has gotten the go ahead to finally take charge, take ownership of Run.AI. Nvidia, was actually looking at that acquisition to improve its portfolio of chips, semiconductor, and all the infrastructure that actually powers the global AI hype and the investment as well. So this orchestration platform, which Run.AI is now under Nvidia because they've gotten that approval. Is going to boost Nvidia's leadership. I believe this will actually enable Nvidia to outcompete, outsell, and out deliver within that category. The likes of Broadcom and Micron. Micron actually disappointed yesterday. If you missed that update yesterday, you can watch what we did. Nvidia is a buy for me via the ETF. Just putting this to a close. I believe going forward as we prepare to enter the new year, we are going to actually unveil the stocks that we believe are going to actually perform next year. So please watch out. We also have a big announcement. We will be announcing an event for Monday. So watch out. We'll be making this announcement on this channel. Uh, this is the end of today's update. We've seen all the biggest winners of the week. Palantir, Nvidia, Accenture, all of them did very well this year, this week. As a matter of fact, Palantir has done more than 6 to 7% today, and the market has been on its tear. So next week, till we meet again, keep investing, keep growing, and watch out for our updates on the event for Monday. Thank you.